Hello everyone, welcome to Science class with Teacher Botan. Today we're gonna learn about substance separation. Substances in everyday life mainly consist of two or more substances combining together as a mixture, which can be both homogeneous and heterogeneous substances. Homogeneous substance. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the composition is uniform throughout the mixture, like coffee, milkshake, chocolate, cold tomato soup, orange juice. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture made of two or more substances that are combined together but not dissolved together. It is not the same consistency throughout and can be separated into its original parts. For example, vegetable salad, fruit salad, milk and cereals, pizza. How to separate substances? There are many methods to separate substances. For example, first, hand picking. Substance separation by manual picking is one way to separate solid substances that have obviously different appearances, such as their size or color. For example, the separation of rice and rice hulls. Sieving. Substance separation by sieving is a method to separate solid substances of different diameters by using filtering equipment such as a sieve. Filtration. Filtration is a method to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid solvent. We can use filter paper to filter small amounts of solution. We can use cloth to filter the solution such as coconut milk. Another example of filtration is water filter. You can look from this picture. This is a simple water filter. You can use logs, pepper and sands, fine sand, charcoal, and cotton to make easy water filter. Evaporation. To separate a soluble material from a solvent, applying heat evaporates the solvent, leaving behind the solid soluble substance. This method is used in salt farming, where heat from the sun is used to evaporate seawater until only salt remains. Sedimentation. Used to separate fine solid particles that are suspended in a liquid. Water is left to stand and solid particles slowly settle at the bottom of the container. A separating funnel. Used to separate two liquids that do not mix together well and form two layers. An example of this type of mixture is cooking oil and water. Sublimation. Separation by sublimation is useful if we have a mixture that contains a substance that will sublimate when heated and a substance that does not sublimate or that evaporates at a higher temperature. Normally, when we heat a solid, it will melt to form liquid. However, some solids do not change to a liquid. Instead, they change directly from the solid to gaseous state. We call such change sublimation. To review again, the method to separate substance, they are hand picking, sieving, filtration, evaporation, sedimentation, and sublimation. Now it is quiz time. Prepare your paper and pen. Are you ready? Number 1. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Hand picking. B. Evaporation. C. Sieving. The answer for number 1 is sieving. Second, what method of separating mixture is this? A. Hand picking. B. Sublimation. C. Sieving. The correct answer is A. Hand picking. Number 3. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Evaporation. B. Separating funnel. C. Filtration. The correct answer is A. Evaporation. Number 4. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Separating funnel. B. Hand picking. C. Sedimentation. The answer is sedimentation. Number 5. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Filtration. B. Separating funnel. C. Sublimation. The answer is separating funnel. We separate oil from water by this method. Number 6. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Hand picking. B. Sublimation. C. Sedimentation. The answer is B. Sublimation. Number 7. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Filtration. B. Sedimentation. C. Sieving. The answer is A. Filtration. Number 8. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Hand picking. B. Evaporation. C. Sieving. The answer for this number is C. Sieving. Number 9. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Filtration. B. Evaporation. C. Sublimation. The answer is filtration. A. Filtration. The last one. What method of separating mixture is this? A. Sieving. B. Sedimentation. C. Hand picking. The answer is hand picking. Okay. Check and count your score. Who got the perfect score? Congratulations. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time. Bye.